was asked to wish for one thing. I would wish that Nigeria would be like a paradise, flourishing like the land of milk and honey, with peace, harmony, political stability, free from cultural discrimination, good roads, quality health facility, standard education. May God in Nigeria.
Lord, save us. Save our Nigeria. It's a land of making money. Money, yeah, yeah. Lord, save us now. Save our country. It's a land of making money. Honey, on the mix. See this kind of stress. See this kind of pain. See this kind of sorrow.